In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 Pro, and let me show you how to change new mail sound on the following device. So at first just open the settings, then find and select sounds and haptics, and here under sounds and vibration patterns you will notice new mail. So just click here, and you can either have none, which is default, or you can pick one from the following options. So let me show you some of them. And I will stay with this sound, so let's just go back, and as you can see it has been changed. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.